Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about a very specific situation and I want to help you try and get out of that situation. And what I'm talking about is when you're signing up for a credit card and there's a sign up bonus and you're trying to get those rewards points. For example, when you have to spend, $3,000 in 3 months to get 150,000 bonus points. And you're actually calculating it and you think you're actually going to come up short. So for whatever reason, maybe you anticipated you would be able to spend a little bit more, but your daily expenses aren't covering what the number is. So I'm actually going through this situation right now where my expenses actually got lower, and I am going to show you how to do that and how to actually be able to spend that amount of money without actually just spending and buying like random stuff. Because with credit cards, you don't want to just go out and willy-nilly, buy a random like huge, TV or something like that, just to get those bonus points, which if you don't know, bonus points you can redeem, for stuff like free airline tickets, free hotel nights, stuff like that. But essentially, you're going to go over here, and this is irs.gov/payments. And if you want to see for sure, hopefully you could see the link, the URL there. So you are on the right website. Make sure you are on the IRS website because, you don't want to be scammed essentially. So something you want to think about if you ever find yourself in this situation, which this is a very specific situation and it's probably not going to apply to a lot of you. But if you clicked on this video, maybe it does. And so I want to show you how to do that. And before I get into just going through, what it takes to do that, I just want to talk about like what this actually means. Because so if you are self-employed, this should be similar or familiar like to what you've seen before. Because if you're self-employed, you have to make estimated tax payments. Because your income or your taxes isn't withheld throughout the year, you actually need to go here, multiple times throughout the year and pay an estimated tax amount. So if you're self-employed and this situation applies to you, then it really doesn't change much, because either way, you are going to come here and right now you would be able to just use your credit card to actually pay for your taxes. And there's going to be a fee, but that fee should be canceled out by those, reward points that you're going to get. And potentially, like in my case right now, like I'm trying to do this same exact situation. I'm going to get possibly like around 8 free hotel nights, if I redeem for my bonus offer. So if you are unfamiliar and you are not self-employed, if you have a W-2 job, this is a bit different. So this is not the most ideal situation for you, because you're most likely going to be getting a refund at the end of tax season. So you're basically, you already have some taxes withheld, but this is just like, again, a rare situation where it may actually make sense to go for those bonus points because it's going to be in a super outsized value. And a lot of times when you're looking into credit cards, that outsized value at the beginning is really what you're going for. And so that's all to say that you're going to get that money back, especially if you're already going to get a refund. You're just going to get that money right back as a refund when the end of tax season comes. Make sure you record all your tax payments as always. And if you do your own taxes, make sure you have that information. If you have someone else do them, then make sure to give that information that you've already paid some of your taxes to them so that they can get that handled. And let's just go into it. I'll try to think of anything else if I have something to say. But right here it says pay by bank account for free. So we're actually not going to do that. We're not going to do the bank account. So normally what you would do is do a bank account. Like I do my estimated tax payments. I've done it in the past where, I just take the money from my bank account and pay like that. But there's going to be a fee if you use your credit card. But like I said before, that fee is going to make sense for this particular situation. So, let's just scroll through and I don't know, pay. Pay by debit or credit card right here. Okay, so it's going to be try to take a look at the fees here. 1.96% fee of the amount, and then 2.96 is the minimum amount. So basically you click on make a payment, and it's going to take you right here, and let's see what it has to say. Make a personal payment is what you want to click on. Payment category. So what you want to do here is just do the year that it is and estimated tax. So actually it's the end of 2021. So this is in December, and so I'm paying for this year's tax. If you were in like January 2022, for example, you would still be paying for 2021's taxes. So just keep in mind what tax year it actually is. And so we'll go to continue. And I will fill all of this out. And if there's any more information, let's see if, I'm not going to show this on screen, obviously, but payment amounts, it's going to be down here. You can, you could pay however much you want. If you want to just give the government like $1 million, I guess you can do that. I don't know why you would in this scenario, but you don't do the full payment. You do what you think is necessary to actually reach the payment with your daily spend. So like the reason I'm doing this in the first place is because, well, my daily spend, my groceries, my utilities, stuff like that, it's not actually going to add up to the amount I need to get the bonus and over that 3-month span. And so that's why I'm doing this. So if you want to, learn more about bettering your finances, reaching financial freedom, be sure to subscribe. And if you did enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up and comment below to tell me if this actually helped. If someone out there had this very specific situation, that'd be cool to see that I helped someone. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Peace.